So it's actually faster to scoot places than it is to drive there.
Riding a personal electric scooter is all fun and games until you realize it's illegal in Edmonton. Currently, Alberta law prohibits the use of personal e-scooters anywhere that's not private property. So that includes city bike lanes and city parks. The law only permits Edmontonians to use rental e-scooters from either Bird Canada, Lime Technology, or Spin Mobility. But that hasn't stopped some Edmontonians from riding their e-scooters around town.
They're really handy to go pick things up, so instead of using a service like, say, Skip the Dishes or something, I can just jump on the scooter and go get whatever I need.
Chris Hubick has been riding his personal e-scooter since August 2020, and he says it doesn't make sense to him that rental e-scooters are allowed to be used on city streets, but not personal ones.
Bikes and things like this are kind of the future of transport, and it seems like downtown, especially where we've, want to have less cars and there's so much congestion, that allowing things like scooters makes sense to alleviate those problems.
Pretty much like as soon as we started operating as Wheels Scooter Shop, we were getting relatively consistent calls about the e-scooters, and I would say in the last 6 months it's ramped up quite a lot, especially this past summer.
Bevan Purnell says due to high demand, Wheels Scooter Shop has put in an order for e-scooters, but he's more hesitant about selling them given the city's law. However, he hopes that the city can change their law to allow personal e-scooter use with speed limits.
It would just be like a power limit, I guess even with motorized scooters, like the more traditional kind that we're used to seeing on the roadways, under a certain power they can be on the sidewalks and things like that.
City News reached out to the city's Parks and Road Services, but they did not email a statement back in time. In Edmonton, Sarah Chu, City News.